really big legs. See these on his feet? Those are the pinchers to like stick onto stuff. And these are the ginormous pinchers because this guy is big. This is his mouth. It is right by his face right there. We caught other crawfish, but this is the biggest one. And I'm gonna put him back. See, like the bigger, like the little ones are actually faster than the big ones.
Hi, my name's Darren.
My name is Kristen.
We're the Nature Ninjas.
We're the Nature Ninjas.
Today we're going to be teaching you about crawfish. Oh, his feet are like pinchers.
Oh,
it's a rock there.
Hey. Let's go. Let's do more. I hope you find a crawdad. Right here, right where I'm standing, it's deep.
I saw a fish. Oh my gosh!
What? Had no crawdads?
Joe, I found this.
What is it?
A worm! This is what we found. Worm. Worm. Free and in the wild. He has a little tiny claw, and he has this big claw.
Crawfish have 4 legs to swim backwards, and their legs go backwards, and they have 4 legs to walk. They have pinchers on their legs. Crawfish aren't fish. They're crustaceans. They're related to lobsters and shrimp.
Crawfish predators are raccoons and birds, and they eat dead plants and dead animals.
And how is that good for the ecosystem?
So that there's not a bunch of dead stuff flying around, and that they can decompose it.
Crawfish molt every time when they get bigger. They molt. Sometimes they molt their shell too. Like when we found the blue one, we lifted up a rock. Darren and Clifton thought it was dead, but it was actually not, because it was actually shedding its skin.
Crawfish can lay up to 800 eggs.
So how you hold a crawfish is, see these 3 fingers like you snap? You get the back of their body so they don't really pinch you. Because if, like this one's little, can't really pinch you and doesn't really hurt. But the big ones can actually pinch you more, and it's gonna kind of hurt more.
Always remember, put your crawfish that you caught back into nature. Yeah. Now we're gonna release all the crawdads. And don't throw them in the water because you could hurt them. Even though they have a hard shell, you could really hurt them. Okay, let's release them. And you could release them under a rock too if you want to give them protection in their new home.
I'm gonna release this big one
under a rock.
Because he's going in there and you don't have to. Try to get this one. Did he hurt you? No, I got scratched by something.
Now it's time to release the big guy. We're gonna release him in a different rock since he's really big. He might need his own help. He doesn't really want to go under the rock right now.
Nature ninjas! Hi-ya!
Today we're gonna be
Hey, listening and you're still in bed?
Okay.
Is there anything? Maybe that was Wormy that we put all the way at our house. he went a wrong. He went a long way, I guess.
worm back.
Cool cowboys.
Find one?
No.
Oh,
Got it. Got it.
he's tiny.
Oh, poor little guy. Ready, buddy?